Hello learners, again this is Sir Mar, your English teacher. Welcome back to class. For today's lesson, I will show you pictures. I know that you know who is in the picture. Yes, it's President Rodrigo Duterte. And there is two statements about the president. Let's analyze. The first statement is President Duterte is our current president. Is it true that President Duterte is our current president? Very good. Grade 5. Okay. So this statement is true. So this statement is a fact statement. The other statement is President Duterte is the best president. Is it true that our president is the best president? Yes. For the majority or for many, Rodrigo Duterte is the best president. But for some, he is not the best president for others. Maybe it is Noynoy Aquino, and for other, it is Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, who they consider the best president. So this statement, the second statement is an opinion. Okay, let us elaborate. President Duterte is our current president. This is a fact statement because there is a basis. We all know that he is voted by the Filipino people in 2016 election. So the statement is a fact statement. The other statement about our president is he is the best president. This is an opinion because for others, he is not the best. He is not the best president. So this is just an opinion. With that, let us start our lesson for the week in English 5, Quarter 3, Week 4, entitled Provide Evidence to Support Fact and Opinion. Read carefully the two set of sentence. Letter A. I think Gassini is the most beautiful girl in the school. She will definitely be the muse of our class. This statement is just an opinion. Why? Because maybe for most of the class, Gassini is the most beautiful. But for some, it can be Liza or it can be Christine. So this is just an opinion. Letter B. The sun rises and sets every single day. This statement is a fact statement. Why? Because there is a scientific basis that says that sun rises and sets every day. So this is again a fact statement. What is an opinion? Opinion is a view or judgment formed about something, not necessarily based on fact or knowledge. When you express your opinion, you express how you feel and think about something. When expressing an opinion, let us remember that it starts with the expression like, in my opinion, I feel that, I would say that. It seems to me that I am in the opinion that, speaking personally, as I see it, well, if you ask me, in my view, I think that are the expression normally we see when expressing a personal opinion. When stating a general opinion, it's usually started with that expression. It is thought that some people says that it is generally accepted that these are the expression for stating a general opinion. Let's continue. Let's have more example of opinion. Dogs are best pets among animal. These are just an opinion because for others, the best pet are not dogs. It can be cat, it can be fish, it can be others. So this is just an opinion. Next, I believe that iPhone is now a necessity, not anymore a luxury. Again, this is just an opinion because for other using iPhone, iPhone is a luxury. They believe that this is a luxury using an iPhone rather than a necessity. So, this is just an opinion. More example, I would say that an intelligent child always succeeds. Again, this is just an opinion. Why? Because not all intelligent child succeed. There are an average child who succeeds also. It doesn't mean that you're intelligent. It means that you will succeed in your life. So when you state an opinion, it is always based only on your personal belief, based on your personal judgment. Remember, an opinion tells why you think or believe, which may not be necessarily true. It can be true for some, but for others, it is not true. So, that's why it is said that it is only your personal belief or judgment. Again, now, what is a fact? A fact is a statement that is real or true, or a thing that can be shown to be real or true. It can shown by given fact and reliable sources. Okay, the keywords here is giving fact and reliable sources. What are those fact and reliable sources? There are the evidence of fact statement. When you see these reliable facts and sources, first, time and date, historical events, number and statistic, scientific data, names and places, references, documents. When you see these evidences on the statement will be considered as fact statement. Example of fact statement. God has created everything that is present in this world. Yes, it is very true, or it is a fact that God has created everything that is present in this world. Next, example of fact. The sun is the center of the solar system. There is a source, there is a scientific study that tells or proves that the sun is the center of the solar system. There is a scientific proof and data that will prove to these statements. So this is a fact statement. Are you following? Grade 5. Okay, next. Example of facts. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Yes, very good. It is fact because we all know, or it's on the record that Australia is the most smallest continent in the world. And Australia is a place. It is fact that Australia is a place. So this is fact. Remember, a statement of fact can be proven. It can be proven by the evidence. Just what stated. Now, let's have a short activity regarding providing providing evidence to support fact and opinion. On your paper, you will just write F if the sentence states a fact, and O if it is expresses an opinion. Number 1. Cheetah is the fastest land-dwelling creatures. Fact or opinion, or F or O. Number 2. There seems to be too much testing in private schools. Fact or opinion. Number 3. Japanese food tastes better than French food. Again, write F if the statement is fact and O if the statement is an opinion. Okay, number 4. Philippines is one of the countries in Southeast Asia. And last number, many pupils says that mathematics is the most difficult subject. Okay, we will answer that later. Okay, I hope that you learn how to distinguish between fact, statement, and opinion. Thank you. Okay, if do you have any question, feel free or don't hesitate to message me